Yeah, so we went to a public area in our city called the Coastal City to interview and inquire suggestions from citizens. We also met Mr. Huang, an administrator of a stray animal rescue association.
Mr. Huang suggested that we need to pay more attention on the safety of Kitty Wonderland itself, how to prevent it from being the target of the perpetrators. For example, making it with cheaper materials so people won't bother stealing it, and maybe put notable signs on the house telling people that the use of this house and do not break it.
Many interviewees advise us to ask the community council whether it is possible to organize residents who usually cared for street cats on their own to clean and check the cat shelter regularly.
就是叫小区的居民，如果有自愿的，他们可以自发成立这种队伍，或者是让居委会的成员自己去负责。
Also, many people said that we could put the Kitty Wonderland in areas near the neighborhood with less human visitors to provide cats with a better place, as well as avoid complaints from residents against the street cat rescuers.
小区里的话，其实不一定会很多，反正我觉得可以在小区外面放。
之前有同学的有设计。
I have been asked before about whether can we put bacteria directly inside our Kitty Wonderland, yet the answer is obviously no. When doing our application, our first concern should be biosafety and bioethics. This naphthalactosynthesizing organism is an GMO, which would possibly cause horizontal gene transfer, and thus an essential oil extracted from the culture would be more appropriate. This substance, then, is cell-free and safe. Therefore, this extracted organic phase can be placed inside the cat house and act the role of attracting cats.
投放到猫乐园当中去，投放到这样一个装置里面，那么它就可以起到吸引猫的作用。
The first version of Kitty Wonderland is a promising design, but we need to improve the Kitty Wonderland safety and decreases its constructing difficulties. Another added feature is the roof, which can now be opened from the outside, exposing the naphthalactone evaporation chamber and a small fan. This design will make the rescue team's life much more easier because they can replenish the naphthalactone easily. The design also ensures that the cat won't accidentally eat or scratch these tools.
But
how can we make sure that our device will not be demolished when placed in use because it is unapproved? Of course, we should ask permission and show the local regulations, right? So I contacted many relevant government officials and managers down the government's chain of command. First, we consider about the regulations of the GMO.
就这种东西人不吃，所以说就并没有相关的法律法规来规定监管，是吗？应该是这样子的。
There is no such laws in China regulating the genetically modified organism except for crops. So the center says that we have to consider biosafety rather than considering the genetically modified stuff.
But after some modifications of our project, we concentrated more on the regulations of placing our product.
There is difference in managing area between organs.
okay, so we need to ask the specific organ that manages the area we want to put in our device, right?
那个部门去找他们说是这个意思是吗？
Yes. If it's the community you want to put in, then negotiate with community station, since putting this kind of device has problem with influenza and safety issues. If you want to put it in the park, then go ask the park service center.
地方的话呢，你们先要去征求公园管理处的意见。
Ask the office.
打26991706。
你打那个我们这边城管。
Ask the city
City
management
office?
Yes.
26991572。
This is not our responsibility.
可以问一下吧。
Just ask the community station where you plan to put in your device and seek their permission.
话背一下就可以了。
Call 26970671 or 26783623. That's a segment of neighborhood committee, and you can ask them. We don't really know how to tackle things like a project.
管理民政啊，你打。
Ask Civil Administration Office 863666325.
Hello? Hello?
你好，请问是你？
Ask Management Office.
Negotiate with management office, right?
Yes, ask them if you can put in the cat house or not.
不能啊。
嗯。